The story of gunpowder begins in ancient China. It started with alchemists, who were the early scientists of their time. These were people who experimented with different substances, often in search of something magical or transformative. They wanted to find a potion for immortality. They didn't find it, despite their many attempts and countless experiments. But they did find something else: gunpowder. This discovery was accidental but revolutionary. This happened around the 9th century, a time when China was a hub of innovation and discovery. Gunpowder is a mix of three things. These ingredients were common, but their combination was unique. These are saltpeter, sulfur, and charcoal. Each ingredient played a crucial role in the explosive properties of gunpowder. At first, people didn't know what to do with gunpowder. It was a mysterious and powerful substance. It was a strange new substance. Its potential was not immediately clear to the alchemists. It could burn quickly and create smoke. It had potential. The alchemists observed its properties and began to understand its power. It just needed a purpose. Over time, they found various uses for gunpowder, from fireworks to weapons. One of the earliest uses was in fireworks, which became a popular form of entertainment and celebration. Eventually, gunpowder found its way into military applications. It was used in cannons, bombs, and other weapons, changing the nature of warfare forever. The introduction of gunpowder weapons gave armies new strategies and capabilities, making battles more destructive and dynamic. The knowledge of gunpowder spread beyond China, influencing other cultures and leading to further innovations. As the secret of gunpowder traveled along trade routes, it reached the Middle East, Europe, and beyond, transforming societies globally. Today, the legacy of ancient Chinese alchemists lives on in both the spectacular displays of fireworks and the powerful weapons used by modern militaries. The discovery of gunpowder is a testament to human curiosity and the unintended consequences of scientific exploration. It reminds us that sometimes the search for one thing can lead to the discovery of something entirely unexpected and world-changing. Gunpowder was not immediately used for war. At first, it was used for entertainment. The Chinese made fireworks with it. These fireworks were colorful and loud. They were part of festivals and celebrations. Gunpowder also had uses in medicine. It was used to treat skin diseases. It was even used in some early forms of toothpaste. The use of gunpowder in fireworks and medicine shows its versatility. It was a substance with many potential applications. People were just beginning to understand its power. It wasn't long before gunpowder was used for war. The first gunpowder weapon was the fire lance. It was a simple weapon. It was a tube filled with gunpowder. It was attached to a spear or a stick. When lit, it would shoot fire and shrapnel. This was terrifying to enemies. The fire lance was a precursor to later firearms. It was a revolutionary development. It changed the way wars were fought. Gunpowder did not stay in China. It spread to other parts of the world. It went west through trade routes. It reached the Islamic world in the 13th century. By the 14th century, it was in Europe. This spread was a turning point in history. The arrival of gunpowder changed warfare everywhere it went. Armies had to adapt to this new technology. It was a dangerous time. It was also a time of great innovation. Section 5. Gunpowder and the reshaping of Europe. Gunpowder had a huge impact on Europe. It changed the way wars were fought there. Castles were once very hard to attack. Cannons powered by gunpowder could destroy them. This led to changes in military strategy. Armies needed new defenses. They also needed new ways to attack. Gunpowder also changed the balance of power in Europe. Countries that mastered gunpowder technology gained an advantage. This led to the rise of powerful nation-states. Section 6. Sailing the Seas of Change. Gunpowder and the Age of Exploration. The Age of Exploration, spanning from the 15th to the 17th century, was a pivotal period in world history. It was a time when European powers ventured into uncharted territories, driven by the quest for new trade routes, wealth, and knowledge. One of the most transformative elements of this era was the advent and use of gunpowder. Gunpowder played a key role in the Age of Exploration. This powerful substance, originally invented in China, found its way to Europe and revolutionized warfare and exploration. The ability to harness the explosive power of gunpowder changed the dynamics of naval and land battles, giving European explorers a significant advantage. European powers used ships with cannons. These formidable vessels, equipped with rows of cannons, became the backbone of European navies. The integration of gunpowder weaponry into ship design allowed these nations to project their power across the seas, ensuring their dominance in naval engagements. These ships could travel long distances. The robust construction and advanced navigation techniques enabled these ships to undertake long and perilous voyages. They could traverse vast oceans, reaching distant lands that were previously inaccessible. They could also defend themselves. The presence of cannons on board meant that these ships were not just vessels of exploration, but also floating fortresses. They could engage in naval battles, defend against pirates, and protect their valuable cargo. This allowed them to explore new lands. The combination of advanced navigation and powerful weaponry enabled European explorers to venture into unknown territories with confidence. They could establish footholds in new lands, paving the way for further exploration and colonization. They also used gunpowder to conquer new territories. The use of muskets and cannons in land battles gave European forces a significant edge over indigenous populations. This technological superiority facilitated the conquest and colonization of vast regions, altering the course of history. The Age of Exploration reshaped the world. The extensive voyages and discoveries made during this period had profound and lasting impacts on global geography, politics, and economics. The world map was redrawn as new continents and trade routes were charted. It led to the discovery of new continents. The relentless pursuit of exploration led to the unveiling of previously unknown lands. These discoveries expanded the known world and opened up new opportunities for trade, settlement, and cultural exchange. It also led to the rise of global trade. The establishment of new trade routes and the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures between distant lands marked the beginning of a truly global economy. European powers capitalized on these opportunities, amassing wealth and influence. Gunpowder was a key factor in these changes. The introduction and utilization of gunpowder not only revolutionized warfare, but also facilitated exploration and conquest. It was a catalyst for the dramatic transformations that defined the Age of Exploration, leaving an indelible mark on the course of human history. Section 7. Industrial Might. Gunpowder fuels a new era. Gunpowder played a vital role in the Industrial Revolution. It was used in mining and construction. This helped to speed up industrial processes. New machines were invented. These machines produced goods on a large scale. This led to mass production and the growth of factories. The Industrial Revolution transformed human society. It led to urbanization and technological advancements. It brought about new social structures. Gunpowder was an essential ingredient in this transformation. Section 8. The enduring legacy of gunpowder. Gunpowder, a seemingly simple mixture of saltpeter, sulfur, and charcoal, has had an immeasurable impact on the course of human history. Its origins trace back to ancient China, where alchemists first stumbled upon its explosive potential. Gunpowder has left a lasting impact on human history. From its early use in fireworks and signals, it quickly found its way into the arsenal of war. The Chinese used it in rudimentary bombs and rockets, changing the nature of warfare forever. It has shaped warfare, exploration, and industry. The introduction of gunpowder to Europe in the 13th century revolutionized medieval combat. Cannons and firearms became the new norm, rendering traditional fortifications obsolete and altering military strategies. It has been a source of both destruction and progress. The destructive power of gunpowder was evident in countless battles and wars, from the sieges of medieval castles to the naval battles of the Age of Exploration. Yet, it also spurred technological advancements and industrial growth. Its legacy is complex and multifaceted. Gunpowder's influence extends beyond the battlefield. It played a crucial role in mining and construction, enabling the excavation of tunnels and the building of infrastructure that would have been impossible otherwise. Today, gunpowder is still used in some weapons. While modern explosives and propellants have largely replaced traditional gunpowder, its principles remain foundational in the design of contemporary munitions. It's also used in fireworks. The vibrant displays that light up our skies during celebrations are a direct descendant of the ancient Chinese pyrotechnics, showcasing the enduring appeal of gunpowder. Every firework display is a reminder of the enduring power of this ancient invention. The colors and patterns that dazzle us are a testament to the ingenuity of those early alchemists and their groundbreaking discovery. Despite its destructive capabilities, gunpowder has also contributed to human progress. It has been a catalyst for scientific experimentation and innovation, leading to advancements in chemistry and engineering. It has played a role in shaping the world we live in today. From the ancient battlefields of China to the modern cities illuminated by fireworks, the legacy of gunpowder is a testament to its profound and lasting impact on human civilization. Section 9. Conclusion. Reflections on an explosive history. From its accidental discovery in ancient China to its use in modern fireworks, gunpowder's journey has been remarkable. It has ignited conflicts and fueled progress, leaving an indelible mark on human civilization. As we marvel at the dazzling explosions in the night sky, let us remember the complex and explosive history of this transformative invention.